Hey everyone, welcome to the long-awaited second episode of our ski tips video. We decided to change the name and we decided to show you something very important today. So let's get on with it. Okay everybody, welcome to the Infinite SKI MasterClass. My name is Daniel and today we're going to talk about boots, specifically ski boots because, ski slopes, infinite ski slopes. I have here one of the popular models that we use at our center. These are the atomic ski boots that we use, and I'd like to show you exactly how you put this ski boot on. Now the ski boot is made out of a plastic shell and an inner liner, and these two parts do come apart, but we don't need that for this demonstration. Before I put on the ski boot, I have to make sure that I have a long sock to help me with comfort and also to make wearing the boot less chafy on my legs. Then obviously we're going to take the boot, we're going to open up all the buckles. You can see that the boot is literally a plastic shell with a liner inside. The simplest way to get inside is to grab the tongue with my arm like this, open the whole boot, and then I stick my foot in. Super simple, super easy. Then I make sure that the tongue goes inside the liner so that it overlaps from the outside. Then I overlap all the plastic pieces. The buckles on a ski boot go 1, 2, 3, 4. Always starting with buckle number 3 because that's the one that really gets my foot stable. So I lock that down. Then it's advisable to stand up, slightly flex the boot, and move on. One notch at a time, making sure the boot nicely closes around my foot. Every so often I give it a few push flexes like that just to make sure the plastics align well. And then finally, when this is all done, I can close these buckles. I'm looking for a very light closure. I don't want to crush my foot. This would be too much. The boot will compress and it will crush my foot. So this just about too much. This just too little. So what I can use, these are micro adjustable buckles. I turn it a few times, slightly moving the buckle inwards or outwards. That's about perfect. And this one I grab here. It's not too little, so let's make it slightly tighter or looser and move it by 1 notch higher. Perfect. Finally, this is called the power strap. Goes around through the little buckle here and over the plastics. Don't put it over the tongue because then it will not serve the purpose it is made to serve. And then I cinch that down, check this is loose, and that's how I put on my ski boots. I'm ready to roll. There it is. I put both my ski boots on. Now I'm ready to rock and roll. But I do need to make sure that the ski boots are actually fitting me well. Once you cinch them down, once you're ready, you need to try to flex in the boots, making sure that one, your heel doesn't lift, because if your heel lifts, that means the boot's too loose. So either try to tighten it more or opt for a smaller size. And also, that you can freely wiggle your toes. If your toes are bumping against the front of the boot or even curling inside the boot, then the boot is just not the right size, and opt for a better one. Comfort in the ski boot is most important because if we're comfortable, we can enjoy skiing much more than if we're struggling with pain or struggling with discomfort in the boots. Now that I'm done with my skiing session, I need to take the ski boots off. The simplest way to do that is to start off by loosening all the buckles, and then when the boot releases, it tends to cinch itself. So in order to do that, I will use the power strap. I will tighten the boot, unhook the buckles, release the power strap. Unhook these two buckles. I always like to twist them so they don't get stuck as I'm taking the boot off. Take this out, latch it on itself, and then it's the simple process of reversing what we did before. So I'll grab it here, I'll twist it off my foot. Easy peasy. If you're still watching, then I hope you learned something today. Even if you know how to put on ski boots, there's always a bunch of tricks that you can learn. And if you can put the ski boots on the proper way, you'll feel that your feet are more comfortable. If you're comfortable, you'll enjoy skiing a lot more. Now, this is the end of our episode. And if you have any ideas for the next episodes, DM us, message us, WhatsApp us, just let us know. And we'd love to incorporate some of your ideas into the upcoming episodes. You can like, you can subscribe, you can follow us on all the social media, to learn about the upcoming episodes and also about any upcoming events that Infinite Ski is doing. I would like to thank you for skiing with us today, and we'll see you next time.